So I wanted to talk about the song Honeymoon and some things happening in the mix to make the song special. This one has a pretty simple arrangement. Underneath the vocals there's just drums, bass, and organ. There are some vibraphone parts and some guitar parts in there, but for the most part it's the drums, bass, and organ that kind of hold everything together and really set the mood for the song. The organ recording was pretty awesome. It's just a big, lush sound on its own. It just sounds pretty killer. We wanted the drums to kind of match that size and largeness, and we used a few little tricks to get there. So after the second chorus we're in, the drums and organ just go right off script. Things escalate, de-escalate, they play off each other. It's a pretty cool section. So we'll focus in on the drums here because we can really hear what they're doing. We've got all the individual drum tracks sent to one channel. On that channel we've got some normal stuff, we've got some EQ, but what really gives the drums the energy and the size that they have is the Fatso. So the Fatso Jr. is a stereo compressor. It's made by Empirical Labs, who make distressors. We just love running drums through this thing, and we just slam it. If you hit it really hard, it will distort. It's got tape emulation. It's just got the right kind of sound. So we'll just crank the input, and it gives the drums just a huge size with a little bit of saturation, and just makes them super huge. So we're hearing the drums as they are in the mix. We've got the compression on, we've got the saturation happening. Now what's shocking is if we actually bypass the unit and just listen to the drums just drive. Really, the secret weapon here, Fatso, just rad, just smashing the drums with it. Thanks for checking this out. Please give Honeymoon a listen. Thanks.